Meet the unsung champions of change, the waste pickers, the driving force behind a tectonic shift in how we see waste. Turning flower waste into charcoal-free incense. Transforming insect waste into sustainable protein. Textile waste, now raw materials for upcycled products. Sunglasses from chips packets. Raw materials like cellulose and plastic from sanitary waste. Zero waste products are now saving our landfills. Every waste has found a new purpose. But it doesn't stop there. Nearly 4 million kgs of waste has been diverted. More than 40 waste pickers were formally employed through skill building and innovation. And who's been fueling this remarkable movement? 9 dynamic startups, all paving the way for a sustainable future. Loopworm, revolutionizing insect farming by converting waste to insect-derived protein for animal feed. Phool, transforming flower waste into incense cones and bioleather, making sustainability a lifestyle. Swachha, tackling post-industrial and post-consumer plastic waste to create raw material granules for recycled plastic products. Reti Ecotech, breathing new life into end-of-life textiles, crafting panels for furniture and acoustic solutions. Bare Necessities, creating premium zero-waste personal care lifestyle and home care products. Ashaya, conquering plastic packaging challenges by upcycling multi-layered plastics into high-quality products. EcoSattva, pioneering sustainability for cities, towns and villages through research-driven waste management solutions. Model Art, empowering women in waste-picking communities by sorting pre-consumer textile waste for recycling and upcycling. Pad Care Labs, closing the loop of sanitary waste by breaking it down into cellulose and plastic, paving the way for innovative upcycled products. They are not just changing waste management, they are changing lives. And standing shoulder to shoulder with them are the entrepreneurs, turning every challenge into an opportunity. From waste to wonder, they are rewriting the narrative. powered by the incredible support of Samuhika Shakti and H&M Foundation. Social Alpha, driving economic growth, social justice, and climate action through the power of entrepreneurship and market creating innovations.